Hi guys, welcome back my S&M family. Thanks for the support guys. Without you this could not be possible guys. Like up the video, comment on the video, share up the video, tell a friend to tell a friend. I'll be bringing more to you soon. Guys, I'll be taking you through some of the storage idea that I did around my home guys.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Zimbabwe, me I say maximum representing for S&M Jamaica lifestyle, and we are say like, comment and subscribe. Zambim, my mama.
Guys, you know, like living in the city, you don't always get the storage space that you need. So this is just some ideas of what I use. This plant stand I also got on Amazon. It's natural wood. I also got this plant on Amazon. I love plant, but in the city it's hard to maintain the natural plant when you have to work. So I got close to natural as best as possible. So I love this. I keep this in one corner of my bathroom. Over the door hanger that I got, you can use it to hang your towels. So you flip it over here, just flip it over the door. This is very good for rental apartments. You don't have to bore any hole in the wall, and it's perfect for hanging like your bath towel. This over the door hanger is very good for small space. So I have 2 extra large bath towel hanging on it. Doesn't require any screwing, any drilling. Very good for rental apartments. Just on Amazon. So I have some fresh towels here. Some here where I put some bath balm here. Some extra washcloth. Some candles. These candles are battery operated. I purchased them on Amazon. Up here I have a shelf area here. These are cute little knobs. You could put some towels on. You could hang some washcloth. Whatever. I just leave it like this. I don't like too much stuff going on. Here I have a little flowers, my little plant in there. Here I have relax in the bath, and here I have my candles. So this is my little shelf area right here. So this is another storage idea for people who doesn't have a ton of space and have a small apartment. So this is my little candle there I have this little flower, just this nice little tray. I have some makeup remover cotton. I have my Flastin, a lotion, some air freshener, my cotton buds, and I also have some cottons right there. I have this nice cute little heart, some marbles, nice little farmhouse flowers. Also have my orchid. I like flowers though they're not. And I have these little lotions and stuff. I also have another candle. Candle is nice for your bathroom. Give it when you want a nice romantic feel. So this is my storage over the toilet storage idea. I purchased this on Amazon. Not very fussy, just simple and nice. This is another way in which I utilize my space. So this is a storage container. I purchased this storage container on Facebook Marketplace. I got it at bargain price. I got 3 of these for only $20. I had to drive and pick it up, but it's a very good deal. So this is, I'm gonna show you guys what I have stored in it. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for the support, for the like. Please share up the video them guys. So I'm gonna open this. Okay, so this I store some jeans in it. This I have about a dozen jeans in it. So far very good, very handy. you can just slip this on, close it in, and slip it under your bed. So this is extra storage right there, guys.